This episode is dedicated to my idols, the Wonder Pets. For many years now, the Wonder Pets have saved animals that are in danger and help them get out of sticky situations like traps. And if they are lost and are wanting to find their way home, and what better way to do that than to draw the best tonight we're going to draw the best machine and the best vehicle that has ever been created. The Flyboat. This is their... This is how they are... This is how they have the ability to transport themselves to different locations across the planet in order to find these to rescue these lost animals. And of course, this is their only mode of transportation as well. Wonder Pets, if you're watching this episode, just a reminder, I'm your biggest fan, and hoping one of these days I can get you guys... I was hoping I can ask for your autographs. Well, I was gonna ask if I could get your autographs. If I can get you. And just a reminder, this episode is dedicated to you. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Drawing the Wonder Pets Flyboat is actually kind of easy. You start by drawing the sail. Just to remind, I grew up watching Wonder Pets as a kid. I even watched it at my cousin Jordan's house. They saved a lot of animals in the past couple of years. I used to have this DVD about how a few sea animals, a blowfish, a squid, and a seahorse, saved the Wonder Pets from a whale. I even watched it in Florida. Alright, we drew the mast and the sail. Now we draw the rest of him. Of course, the Wonder Pets have allies along the way. There's Ollie the Bunny. And a couple of others I can't keep track of. But even though they live far away, they are considered the trusty allies of them. After all, I consider them as the best heroes in the universe. Wherever you are, far and wide, I'm sure you're out there saving the planet as we know it. I also have this Save the Reindeer episode, that holiday special. That was my favorite. It's really amazing how the Wonder Pets managed to save Christmas. Twice! Alright. I also watched it when I was on vacation. Well, actually, I thought about it when I was on vacation. Whenever I go on a plane, I often think about them. I feel like they're out there somewhere. Here are the gears on the inside. I also saw this show when I was at my friend Alicia's place. Alicia was a good friend of mine. She had children named Ben and Kate and Ryan. Wherever you are, I miss you. Anyways, there's the flyboat itself. It can also be transformed into other forms, like a submarine and a rocket ship. And they've saved a lot of animals in the past. Out of all the adventures of the Wonder Pets, which one do you think is your favorite? I like the one where they save dinosaurs. There. There we go, everyone. That is how you draw the Wonder Pets flyboat. This vehicle is definitely my favorite. Now this is how I would have the ability to travel. I can fly to New York City anytime I want. Well, I don't want to get greedy. Alright, so that's how you draw the flyboats. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. And P.S. Wonder Pets, if you're watching this, thank you for saving the planet and all the animals who lived in it. You guys are my heroes. And I'm proud of your accomplishments. I hope that one day we'll meet in person. This is your best fan, and the one who has been inspired to be the one who has drawn your greatest vehicle. Signing out. Stegosaurus, see you later.